Yes, I asked the frequently asked question in the cybersecurity career that is what are the difficulties and challenges I may face in the cybersecurity career. So ChatGPT has given me the answer that I am going to discuss in this video. Yes, the answer I have copy pasted here. ChatGPT has given me some generalized answer. So most of the points that are there, the difficulties are there are covered. Yes, the ground reality, what is there in the cybersecurity has been covered in this answer. So constantly evolving threat landscape. Yes, you may face the new challenges, new kinds of threats, attacks, hackers, new kind of thing that you have never came across in your experience. So that is what is a problem that you may face in your job, that is constantly evolving threat landscape. Hackers may find new way to hack your systems or get into your systems or install some kind of malware into your system to steal data. So that is the most challenging thing in this career. So yes, the job is stressful because ultimately it is related to the confidential data, the confidential information in your systems that you need to protect from hackers, or you need to protect your systems from malwares, viruses, and all the similar kind of things. So related to security is again a stressful job. Technical complexity is there because you may face new challenges, new kind of things that you may not aware of, or you don't have enough knowledge about that. So you may have to ask your managers, you may have to discuss, brainstorm with your technical team to come across such. But till then, because it's time critical, you may lose some data, or you may not provide your 100% security to your client. Regulatory compliance is there, like many of the organizations are subject to regulatory compliance requirements such as HIPAA or PCI DSS that mandate certain security controls and practices. So as a cybersecurity professional, you may need to navigate complex regulatory requirements to ensure your organization is in compliance. Yes, again, one more difficulty is the limited resources. You may not get the enough information about the new threat, new attack, new virus, new malware, because it's completely new. Hacker has found the new way to get into your system. So you need to cope up with what knowledge you have, or you need to take actions with whatever you know so far. So this is again a very good very difficult thing or a challenge you may face in cybersecurity. Skill gaps are always there because the technology is constantly evolving. You may have to have new skills or cope up with the technological change or evolution. So skill gap is there in every domain, not exactly not only in the cybersecurity, but skill gap is there in almost all the domains of IT. Yes, despite these challenges, a career in cybersecurity can be highly rewarding and offer opportunities for growth and advancement. So with the rightful skills, knowledge, and the mindset, you can help protect your organization from cyber threats and make a positive impact in the field of cybersecurity. So this is very generalized and again the realistic answer that the ChatGPT has given. So how did you like this video? If you want me to make such videos on the things like this, you can comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.